If you're a CODM player tired of Facebook authorization fails, you need to try these easy fixes. Let's get you back in the game ASAP. Ready? Let's go. First, check your internet. Sometimes your Wi-Fi just needs a pep talk. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or give your router a quick nap with a restart. Next, double-check your Facebook login details. Change your password recently? Update it on every device. When logging in, skip auto-login and tap the Facebook button yourself. Sometimes the game needs a gentle nudge. Now, clear cache and data for both CODM and Facebook in your phone settings. This wipes out any digital cobwebs causing trouble. Still stuck? Uninstall the Facebook app, then try logging into CODM. This uses a web login. Update both apps to their latest versions. Old apps are like expired milk. Check Facebook permissions for CODM in your Facebook settings, and log out of any other accounts on your device. If nothing's working, restart your phone, check for server issues, or try another login method like Activision or Google. And remember, reinstalling CODM won't lose your progress. Still stuck? Contact Activision support. They're ready to help.